Meron pa nga bang penthouse unit na matatagpuan sa Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City na pre-selling pa lamang? Tara, panoorin niyo itong video. This property is Park McKinley West and ito na lamang yung merong penthouse unit dito sa Fort Bonifacio and pre-selling pa lamang siya. By the way, it has 25 floors and yung turnover ng property na to is by 2026. And to set your expectation, this property is near to everything. Dahil located yung property in the middle of the business district here in Metro Manila. And malapit nga tayo sa mga malls, malapit din tayo sa mga embassies, malapit din tayo sa mga hospitals and clinics, and of course, malapit tayo sa mga international schools. So since this is a penthouse unit, located yung unit natin on the 24th floor. And yung size ng penthouse na to is around 212 square meter. Ano nga ba yung magiging view mo dito? So meron tayong unobstructed view of greeneries, McKinley Hill Township, and Antipolo Mountains. So this is the sample unit in Park McKinley West. So semi-furnished na nga pala yung unit nyo, and sa kitchen nyo, meron na tayo dyang oven, may induction cooktop, and by the way, hindi lang siya 3-bedroom penthouse, meron na rin siyang maid's quarter. So ganito na yung finish ng mga units natin. Ito yung isang room, may aircon na, may modular closet, and well finished na rin yung ating bathroom. So if you have a big family, this penthouse unit is the perfect for you. So message me for more details.